How to fix calls going straight to voicemail on iPhone issue. Well, hello everyone, welcome into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can fix iPhone calls going straight to voicemail issue. To fix iPhone calls going straight to voicemail in 2026, you want to start by disabling do not disturb mode or focus mode. So if you have enabled voice mode on your iPhone, right, and if you have enabled do not disturb mode, then the call will be cut directly. The first call at least will be cut and be sent or forwarded to the voicemail, right? Make sure you have toggled it off. Then check that the silence unknown callers is off in settings. So head into settings, head into phone option. So under settings you should find the phone option. If you do not find it directly, head into apps and then select phone option. Once under phone here, you want to select the silence unknown callers is disabled. Make sure that the option is disabled, and that way the unknown callers call won't be blocked and transferred to voicemail. Similarly, toggle on and off your airplanes mode multiple times and restart your iPhone, and that should fix it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.